I don't know. No, your coin you buy your face, babe. Okay.
New Brighton.
Oh, you kiss kuya. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So hi guys, Salt on the here. So we're here at the New Brighton. New Brighton. Ayan guys, tumakbo guys. Saan na kaya yung bata na yun? Takbo. Si Aya guys, pati yung anak ko, play sila. You need to be careful! Ito po ang New Brighton guys. So we'll take Aya.
Go, go, go!
Maraming tao ngayon kahit malamig. Ang lamig ng simoy ng hangin. Ang ganda. Sana kayo sa Steve Garden guys. Look at yung trees. Dito. Dito tayo. Walking tayo. Daming tao guys. Ang laki ng dagat. Ang dali. Ang daming seagull guys. So tingnan nyo guys, maganda siya guys. Sea is so nice now. Ang layo pa dun guys. Medyo malayo yung pang lakad natin. It's so far. It's okay, let's walk. Seagull again. Hi, seagull. Ang ganda! Ang ganda ng dagat! Pababa na pababa. Darling, we go in the... Do you think the... Yeah, it's going down? Or we can go this way. Daddy, this way, Daddy.
Where are we going? What way?
Ah, yeah, we can go down back.
Wasn't there like an elevator here?
Going back, going back. Sobrang ano guys. So dito na tayo. Pabalik na tayo sa car. Back to the car. Just waiting for Aya. Balik na tayo sa car guys. Oh, going back to the car. I'm surprised. Ay. Aya guys is antok na. Oh, are you tired? She's tired. So pretty. Look at that. Look at that face painting. Yeah,
My face,
yeah.
my
Para na tong ghost town guys. Before guys, ang ganda dito. Pero ngayon, parang close na lahat ng shops. Kawawa naman. Oh, kalulog lagi ni. Aya. Aya, daling. So, back na kami sa car. Pretty girl. Look at that face. It's so pretty. Arte ay. Arte ay. Arte ay. Aya. Aya. It's so cute. Kuya. Kuya, dong. Ano dong? Yan ang panganay ko sa, guys. Panganay na anak ko. B stand for Bryce. Okay. Laki ng go. Look at the fish.